eufyMake review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at eufyMake, and we're going to be telling you how you can save money on 3D printers. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and they claim to be the world's first personal 3D texture or UV printer, which is quite insane. So before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below. Make sure you check that out. It'll take you to the website. Along with that, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on the checkout to save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So it's as simple as that. They have a bunch of different products. So here in the product section, they have basically three products. They have the UV printer, and they have the 3D printer, and then they have other services as well. So we want the UV printer, right? We're gonna click on UV printer, and then here, this is the UV printer E1, right? We're gonna click on it, and this is how it looks like. And here, to get this printer, you simply hit the get the best prices or grab mine, right? Both of these button works. And this is the printer itself. You can see right here. It's pretty cool, pretty compact, and these are all the functions and why you should buy it. This is how it looks like, and the production line and stuff like that. This is their specs right here, all the things that it comes with, and it's actually pretty cool, right? And if you want to buy it, just simply hit the add to cart button or click on buy now, and then you just simply paste your discount code that you can find in the description below, and it'll save you up to $240, which is pretty cool. You can save even more if you add the discount along with this one. This is like their own discount bundle that they're giving away. So if you click the link in the description below and get the other discounts, apply those as well, you'll get an even bigger discount as well. So keep that in mind. Then just simply fill out this form, hit the continue button, add the shipping and payment method, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.